Welcome to Phocos Tech Tips, your resource for reliable energy access.
Hi, I'm Gardner, and I'm an applications engineer here at Phocos. If you're considering adding energy storage to an existing solar installation or creating a new solar installation with energy storage, we have a few tips that you may want to consider when picking your installation location and when considering the temperature or climate of your region. Temperature has a big effect on battery performance and battery lifetime. Whether you're using lead-acid batteries or new lithium iron phosphate batteries with an integrated BMS, battery management system, temperature can have a drastic effect throughout the year on how that battery performs. For example, it's not uncommon that energy storage systems installed in locations where winter months get very cold to see lower usable capacity in the winter months. This is because when a cell is colder, the reaction is slower, and the usable capacity you can get from that battery under the same operating conditions may be less. On the contrary, in the hotter months, if your battery is not insulated well from the heat or sun, you will degrade the life of your battery over time with the same number of cycles. It's important to always check with your manufacturer's documentation or talk to your battery manufacturer directly to ensure that your battery installation is adequate to make sure that you're not exceeding the upper limit of the operating temperature of that battery or the lower limit. Keep in mind that throughout the year, in installation locations with less insulation, battery temperature may be more subject to the temperature outside. And in some regions, this will be more drastic. In general, it is best practice to install your energy storage system indoors in a well-insulated area that is not impacted by direct sunlight and does not get below freezing during the nighttime or in winter months. This will ensure that your energy storage system has the best usable capacity throughout the year, as well as the longest achievable lifetime. You've invested a lot of time and money into your solar installation with energy storage. So always make sure you take into account your local climate and installation location in terms of insulation to make sure you can get the most from your energy storage system at any part of the year, regardless of the temperature outside. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.
For more information, visit us at Phocos.com, where we make reliable energy possible anytime, anywhere, any grid.